Hola, buenos días. Es solamente un video recordatorio para la semana número 3. Entonces, para esta semana tienen los ejercicios de BHL, ¿m? También el quiz, también tienen la primera, the first writing assignment. Here are the instructions. Make sure that you follow the instructions so that you can get the full credit. Also, it's our first virtual meeting. So here's some topics, and here is the link for you to connect with me. And this is the self-evaluation for the first virtual session. So after you finish, please fill it out and then post it in Blackboard. En glosario 3, and some of you already has sent the words, and that will be all for this week. So as always, if you have any question, please send me an email, and I will be happy to answer to you any doubt or any question that you have. And I'm looking forward to meet you today at the virtual meetings. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye-bye.